Pizza is probably the best part of America.
Sometimes even when there's nothing in it, you gotta cook. Sometimes even when there's nothing in it, you gotta cook.
Yeah.
Classic.
Sorry.
We're on Mathien's phone. We're listening to his playlist. He's at our house.
Yeah.
He's over here cooking pizza. He's over here.
Kelsey, can you help me with
changing
my
sweaters.
sleeve?
Look, he's asking Kelsey to change his sleeve. Thank you.
Today we're doing pizza. These are my friends Kelsey and Elijah. Thank you guys for coming on to my show. Kelsey's gonna show us how to make dough.
1 cup of warm water, pour it in a bowl. 1 pack of active dry yeast. And then you let it sit for 10 minutes.
What you might want to do at this point is just kind of get in there and smell some of the aroma that's happening. I'm getting bubble bath.
You'll know when it's ready when it's bubbling and like frothy.
Yeah. Right, and that's kind of what I was alluding to with the whole bubble thing, when it's in the bubble bath.
Yeah, it's very intuitive. This is what it looks like. So you're gonna wait for it to bubble even more and get frothy.
Oh, alright, so we did forget to put the sugar in. Whoops. 1 teaspoon.
It's a generous.
Keep it. You never level it up. That's what grandmas do. Yeah, there's like a real shortcut way to do this that involves the side of a knife.
Smash.
Every time I'm with my friends, they start criticizing me, and it's like, let me just do my garlic the way I like. Did you know if you wear contact lenses that you won't cry when you cut onions?
Really?
Yeah.
If you have a really good knife, that's supposed to be like the best way.
Oh yeah, garlic baby. Did you ever flour bomb somebody? Throw a bunch of flour on anybody?
We antiqued people. I'll be damned. 1 teaspoon of salt. Just stirring and making into the flour. We're gonna let this sit for 5 minutes.
Mathien's forever seasoning. Glad. Forever seasoning is going on the sausage.
Oh, okay.
That's going on the sausage.
Yes, thank you, Elijah.
This is hard frescoes. We heard it's disgusting. We're gonna try. We're gonna find out. We're gonna cook this twice, so we wanna turn it off at this point because we don't want to burn it. We also use third-party spices, like tastes like pizza.
I think that's a perfect.
Kelsey, you've really taken the wheel on this episode.
Oh, it reminds you of cool. Like, yeah, this shit is rough.
Just rub the oil.
It's not that big.
Like a goober.
There you go.
Kelsey's just doing some last-minute edits. Wonderful, great form.
Just do that for 5 minutes
Oh, okay.
until we put the toppings on.
Oh, that's smart. I've never
Just
done
like
that
a
before.
pre-bake.
Yeah. Jim Morrison and Homer Simpson have the same voice.
I've heard. This. Alright.
Alright, let's make some breadsticks.
Alright. On there, we want extra mozzarella too.
So this stuff's already cooked in a way. We're just gonna cook it more.
Keep yourself young and fresh, you know?
Mm-hmm.
You gotta keep the system pickled.
Oh, I like that.
That's what I found out.
Part of cooking and part of slow cooking is sort of just building up the desire for food. You know, your best cook is hungry.
Just a bunch of dough, sauce, meat, and cheeseola.
Oh yeah, here we go. We got the pie right there. Baking up. We got the breadsticks right here. We're gonna go ahead and try to flip these bad boys.
Yeah.
You know, we're actually talking about that earlier. How the flip is like really good.
Time to eat pizza.
I just can't believe it's already here.
Oh. Man, the internet's gonna love this.
No, but like you go to get the New York pizza, like the thin crust New York pizza, and there's like it's a little doughy. It's not gonna kill us, but maybe throw it in there for a little longer. Would it be alright if I put a little forever seasoning on there?
Oh, yeah.
Just like a tiny bit. This pizza is so good.
Pizza is probably the best part of America.